Well, hello and welcome to another video from Gonna Do. Today I'm going to do a review on the Dometic CF11 fridge. Now these fridges are designed to replace the console in your four-wheel drive or your car. They're not designed to do what I do with them, and that is use this as my main camping fridge. So I'm just showing you that you can. If you're a big drinker, this is not going to work for you, but I hardly do any of that. So I just spent 2 weeks in Tasmania, and it survived and did exactly what I needed it to do. So I have a small portable cryovac machine with reusable bags, so I cryovac all my meat and it'll fit in here no problem at all. So most of the time I only run for about 3 to 4 days before I go to a supermarket, so it'll do me fine. So it comes with 240 lead as well as a 12 volt lead. Now the 12 volt lead does have a cigarette lighter plug on it, and I did use that for a while with an Anderson plug, but I found that in certain things when I'm driving along the car it would come undone, so I've cut that off and put an Anderson plug because I find they're much better. So it doesn't come with a carry strap, so I'll put one on here. So inside, as you can see, it's not that big. Good spot here for your meat and everything you need in here, and there's a little spot up here for, say, as I did with a couple of little milk bottles in here for my cuppers. So like I said, it runs really well. So it'll draw about 3.5 amps when you start it up, but that drops back quite a lot and runs on about 2.8 amps when it's using it, but it doesn't run that long, especially if you keep it full. And this is where it comes down to keeping a fridge running full makes them work a lot better. If I had a 30 litre fridge, I'd never fill it. It'd be on all the time because I just don't have enough stuff in it. Henceforth the fact of buying this fridge. So having said that, it was probably running about every hour, once every hour, so it wasn't hot down there, but it was still doing a great job. Probably the only thing that I'm going to complain about, and it's going to be easily fixed, and I would have fixed it already, but I wanted to show you, is this chain here. So it's very easy to touch that chain when you're trying to put stuff in here and the thing falls down. So I'm going to actually take the screw out of that and move it back. You can actually take that chain off and move it, leave it off, but that's no good either because you only break the lid off if it goes back. So I'm just going to move it back so it comes back a bit further, because when you put the food in, that's what happens. This is being really, really picky. That's not a deal breaker. Easily fixed. So if you like these fridges, or if you want one of these fridges, I would totally recommend it. Far better than the King's fridge. That's long gone. I'll never touch a King's fridge again. So anyway, that's a review on the CF11 fridge by Dometic. So anyway, that's all for today. Only a short one. If you like this channel, subscribe to it, and I'll see you in the next one.